Oh, hello? And now? Now? Now. Yeah, okay, let's go. Okay, sorry, my microphone disconnected for some reason. Okay, wait, so you guys didn't hear what I was saying the whole time before, right? Uh, I was saying that I'll teach you the 90-minute cycle. And I thought it's not that important, but it's pretty good. As Confluence, you avoid getting in bad trades sometimes. But okay, let's go. So if you have seen my saw section again, it's all the same thing, okay? I told you that a breaker is just a pullback, right? If you have a reaction of a breaker, which is exactly this one, sweeping this liquidity, you know that it's just a pullback and this low is most probably gonna be taken out. Works on all time frames again, the same. So if you see this on 1 hour and you have this price action, you should position yourself in cells, as we will do right now. But you have this liquidity. I know this IPA. And wait, I don't know if this is, yeah, okay, this is imbalance. And you have this imbalance as well. Okay, so, and this would be our lit point for the imbalance, right? Oh my God, I'm making us, okay. Okay, guys, we are getting better day by day. But yeah, so look, if it sweeps this during those 18 minutes, we are on fire. But it can react off this, obviously, right? Yeah, see. So, I mean, I wouldn't take this trade, really. This is really bad pricing. And what might happen, might just shoot up to take us out. Okay, but that did not happen. We stop all of this, still mitigating the breaker. All right. And now, is this low valid? Well, I mean, it's still a reaction of a breaker, so I don't think that this low will hold. But I mean, anything can happen, right? And there's still imbalance right below this. And it still has a reason to go lower, or even, oh no, this. But this is clean imbalance. I should show that as well. Was that short-term lit? Short entry lit? This? No. This is just a fill of imbalance. Okay, wait, I'll turn my chat on right here. Okay. So this low is gonna be taken out most probably. No reason for this to hold again. And if this high is gonna hold, we'll assume that this high is holding. Then we can take this as a range and try to short from anywhere between 50, above 50%, right? But yeah, I think this high will hold, even though I'd like it to take this out. So yeah, let's turn this off. You also have magic timing here, but nothing. It's not an everyday Confluence. You don't need that. Okay, it just swept the lit. And okay, this is just nothing. This price action is weird. We're just building up from both sides again. Right. So, and this would be your if this was higher time frame, you could ping pong this intraday as a composite structure again that I was talking about today. You have order flow from both sides, right? Well, no, this is just bad. Okay, it's subless liquidity though with POI above, IPA above. They're respecting the build up, right? So when you realize it's a build up, you don't really expect those highs to be taken out, or for example, this high to be taken out. It should hold. Yeah, it should hold. Please. Yeah, okay. Yeah. As well as liquidity buildup from below. So yeah. Okay, now I'm thinking this slow might hold for some reason. It's not the best one, but the only reason it would go lower is just to fill imbalance at this point. But if it gives us a reaction of this point, then we'll buy, of course. Yeah, so let's look at it. You have IP right here. You have IP right here. It's just it's as simple as that. No, it's, yeah, filling imbalance. Still building up from both sides. And oh, okay. Okay, this was unexpected. Well, I mean, there's still liquidity. All of this is buy side liquidity. So the trend line is just subjective, you know. Okay. You have New York open right here. And what does it tell you? It might just start inducing people to the wrong direction. So yeah, see, this high is inducement again. You had this, right? It's for some people it would be a break of structure or whatever, and they would just die right there if they would try to buy off here. Yeah, see, I know. Price sweeping this. Okay, let's check the 90-minute cycle. Okay, the 90-minute cycle. Yeah, sweeping perfectly into our time zone. We still have okay. So what I'm waiting for here is a real New York Open, right? Which is 1 minute. And this is what lit traders from RAIM call trap timing as well. But for me, it's just trap timing because you might have a manipulation like in Frankfurt. But because for me, it's a real opening because it shows real intention just after sweeping some kind of liquidity. I thought this was the liquidity, but it still wants to go down. So maybe. So what choice do we have here? Either it's gonna sweep this. Either it's gonna sweep this or sweep. There's nothing. I mean, it can react off of the whole thingy here. So either it's gonna sweep this point, or any other, or what I wanted to say is right here. All right, so let's see. Yeah, see. And this is the only time I wouldn't use 90-minute cycle. Because for me, from you don't look higher time frame like 5 minutes. I do, but this is too clear. There's nothing. There's just this imbalance. But if you wanna look at 5 minutes, you know, this whole thing you would yeah, this whole thing you would just be a sell to buy. There's nothing to look at here. Maybe price will come back to this inefficiency, to this wick, but I mean, if it does, we hit stop loss. That's all to it. That's all there is to it. So, why did I mark this exact point out? Was because wicks are again sell to buys with imbalance, right? And yeah, okay. So I mean, this would be a manipulation for me most probably if it starts reversing. Yeah, if it starts reversing. Okay, so this is manipulation for me, and and what you want to do here is simply, okay, this would be a lit point on 1 minute, right? And what you want to do here is just take a buy. As simple as that. Right here, stop loss right here. If you want to be safe, then here, 4 pip stop loss. Nothing wrong with it. I like it risky. So you do it like here. And thus price has a reason go any lower than this. This is the only reason, and also this as well. As I said, this low, we can't know if it's gonna hold or not. And from common sense perspective, this would be a liquidity point. This would be a liquidity point. Well, I mean, yeah. Okay, we'll see. Yeah. Because there's no other order flow in here anymore. The last one would be here. So, oh, okay. Okay. Let's check 5 minutes. Okay, this is getting too messy, guys. Or do you guys want screenshot of this afterwards? No, I'll just delete it, okay? All right. So, okay. So this is the last buy to sell, right? Just wait for this to break. There's a valid break of structure. And yeah, we are transferring orders before breaking it, but we also have this huge imbalance below. And we also have this liquidity below, so we can try both, you know. Yeah, and yeah, it starts respecting it, building up. Okay, okay, I'm thinking if we should buy here. I mean, it's our valid entry model, but this is really weird though, because usually when you have a entry model, then before breaking, instead of price building down like this and building both sides, price just keeps inefficiency. This is a break, right? Price just keeps going up, like keeping the order flow, and as well just keeps breaking structure. So this is a bit weird for me. But I mean, you can take a buy here. That's a completely valid buy, and you can take a stop loss to inefficiency or even to this low. So we have 2 entries. Yeah. Oh. Wait. Oh. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's nice. So how? Okay, I mean, if this was live market, I would just hit stop loss, honestly. But yeah, I better be safe than sorry, right? So, oh, damn. Okay. And for a finale, a cool trick projection. I think this whole thingy was a manipulation, by the way. Any pullback is a manipulation. And you can, I mean, this is a cool trick that my mentor created, but you can use this for TPs. It's pretty accurate for any manipulations, for Frankfurt manipulations, London, or even news, whatever you can. And this idea came from ICT, pretty much, because ICT, what I don't, what that guy said, he just takes like Asian range and he projects it two to 5 times, and that's how he predicts how far the pair will go that day. So this K, that was the original idea, but we changed it a bit, right? So there was a lit buy here, but it's too less. It's not that probable. Yeah, and you see, just keeps. Yeah, okay. So that's it for today. I mean, keep in mind that I've studied those days. You know, I've backtested those days before. Even though you chose a random day, I made studies on those days before for myself. So I remember some moves. But so of course you will not have such a high win rate in the real market. Even I don't. I have like 60 or 70%. But yeah, that's how I analyze the chart. That's how I use the concept that I'm showing you. And yeah, and we just tested the 90-minute cycle as well. So hope it was helpful, and I mean we can do another one tomorrow. Or I mean any day, right? I'm backtesting all day. So all every day in the week, so it doesn't matter. Okay. Have a nice day.